Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Hobot Legee-Q10. This is a 4-in-1 robot vacuum with a mop feature as well. It was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm just sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now, a little bit of backstory. I have reviewed many of these robot vacuums. The technology has improved a great deal over the years, and this very latest model from Hobot is absolutely fantastic. It's got what they call a corner killer. It's this little tiny brush. You actually get two of these inside the box, and it sort of flicks dust out of the corners. It really does get into the corners really well and directs that dust and debris underneath the vacuum. So that's the first feature I wanted to mention. This is really effective. It looks like a simple device, but indeed it is very effective indeed. Now inside the box you get everything that you need to get up and running. You get, of course, this sort of charging station which plugs into your mains. It's got some sensors in it to help direct the robot back to the charging dock, and little sensors on the bottom and contacts so that when it's on this dock it self-charges and is ready to go the next time. And you get a power adapter that's country specific inside the box as well. We've also got tangle-less suction in this particular unit. We have got a really good mopping feature. I'll show you that when I turn the unit over. We've got 20mm or up to 20mm obstacle climbing. So when you've got sort of changes in heights, maybe you've got thick rugs or a second floor it's going to go down into, it will actually climb up to 20mm. And we've also got lots of different cleaning modes. I think there's 6 in total. And also a 5 map memory. So this will actually map out the area or areas that it's going to clean, and you can store up to 5 maps. And you control all of this, of course, via an app, as with most things nowadays. So you get everything you need to get up and running inside the box, of course, instructions and the Q10 itself. And it's a really nice looking machine. Very nice indeed. You're going to do all of your main controls via the app, of course, but there are some physical controls on the top of here, and we've also got a little lift up flap on the top as well. And underneath here you've got your main power on off. We've also got the little canister which we can remove. This is where it's going to collect the dust that it vacuums up and the debris. Very easy to open and remove. I forgot to show you there is a filter on the front. And then here, this is the little reservoir where you're going to use the supplied bottle to fill this up with your water and cleaning solution. And then we even get, if I can take this out, this is a tight fit, we even get a little cleaning tool. So we've got a little brush on here. We've also got a little blade, sort of a safety blade in here, and that's to get rid of sort of tangled hairs on the bottom if you need to. And that just stores really nicely, so it's always to hand on the unit. We've got various sensors on the unit as well, so it can find its way around. We've also got this bump part, so if it bumps into something you've got no problem there. We've got sensor, of course, on this side here. If we turn this over, let's flip this completely over, and you'll see on the bottom here it's really well made, very well made indeed. We've got the main sort of wheels here. We've got this sort of steering wheel at the front. We've got additional sensors. These are the contacts, which are going to line up with the contacts on the charging base. We've got a really good brush in the middle here. Very good indeed. This is where the corner piece goes. So this goes on the bottom of the unit here. This is what's going to flick the dust into the unit. Suction goes into here. And then these are the tubes that go down from that reservoir I showed you in the top. And then this is the mop bit. So this is the pad, and it's attached with Velcro. Now, if this gets dirty, which it obviously will, you can simply take this off, pop it into your washing machine, or if you're going to wash it by hand, you can do that as well. Whilst it's drying, if you still need a vacuum, you do get a spare mop inside. Now this will navigate from a carpeted floor to a hard floor really well. And most people, or say most, quite a lot of people will have different surfaces within their home. So they'll have carpet, maybe linoleum and hard floor, and it will navigate around that and it will clean appropriately. So for example, I have this cleaning a main carpeted area, and it does it very, very well indeed, very efficiently, and it really doesn't leave any sort of dust and debris behind. Maybe occasionally it might miss a spot, but you can train it to go into various areas within your home, and it sort of goes over things a few times to make sure that it picks up a lot of the dust and debris, if not all of it. And then when it goes onto a hard surface, you can have this actually use the mop function. So it will use the cleaning solution you've put into the reservoir here, and it will then agitate the pad that's on the bottom and clean your hard floors as well. That is really good. The app is excellent to use as well. Very easy to get this up and running. It does its initial mapping of the area. You can make corrections, you can exclude areas, for example. It really is a superb unit. And then when it's done the cleaning, it simply goes back onto its docking station and recharges. How cool is that? Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I've used robot vacuums for many, many years, and I still vacuum with a handheld vacuum as well, but not every other day, not a couple of times a week. I use this to do my main vacuuming all the week through. I have it on a schedule, and then maybe, and I say maybe, once a month I will go round with a normal vacuum and sort of do what I would call maybe a deeper clean. So this, to keep your home dust free and debris free on your floors, is an absolutely brilliant choice. It's really well designed, performs excellently, and I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.